Armenia, a small country in the Caucasus Mountains, is a land of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Imagine soaring peaks, their slopes painted with wildflowers. Picture deep gorges carved by rushing rivers, and crystal-clear lakes reflecting the azure sky. This is Armenia, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. For centuries, Armenia has stood at the crossroads of East and West. This ancient land is home to a rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes. From the snow-capped peak of Mount Ararat to the verdant valleys of its many rivers, Armenia offers a feast for the senses. Join me as we embark on a journey to discover the most beautiful places in Armenia. We will explore ancient monasteries clinging to cliff faces, hike through forests teeming with life, and stand in awe of nature's raw power. Let the adventure begin. Our journey begins in Yerevan, the vibrant capital of Armenia. Yerevan is a city steeped in history, with a modern energy that is palpable. One of the most striking features of Yerevan is its unique architecture. Many buildings are constructed from a locally sourced volcanic rock called pink tuff, giving the city a warm, rosy glow. Dominating the Yerevan skyline is the majestic Mount Ararat. This iconic mountain, though located in Turkey, holds a special place in the hearts of Armenians. Ararat is the national symbol of Armenia, and its snow-capped peak is a constant reminder of the country's rich history and culture. Stroll through Republic Square, admire the cascading fountains, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this fascinating city. Yerevan is the perfect starting point for your Armenian adventure. Just a short drive from Yerevan lies Ghani Gorge, a natural wonder that will leave you breathless. Carved over millennia by the Got River, the gorge is a masterpiece of nature's artistry. Towering basalt columns, formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, rise like giant organ pipes on either side of the gorge. These hexagonal columns, known as the Symphony of Stones, create a mesmerizing spectacle. The play of light and shadow across the basalt columns is constantly changing, revealing new patterns and textures. Standing high above the gorge is the Temple of Ghani, a perfectly preserved Greco-Roman temple dating back to the 1st century AD. This ancient structure, with its elegant columns and intricate carvings, is a testament to Armenia's rich history and architectural prowess. Nestled in a secluded mountain valley not far from Ghani Gorge lies Geghard Monastery. This UNESCO World Heritage site is a testament to the artistry and devotion of the Armenian people. The monastery is partially carved into the surrounding cliffs, creating a seamless blend of nature and architecture. As you enter the monastery complex, you are greeted by the sound of rushing water. A natural spring, considered sacred, flows through the monastery grounds, filling ancient baptismal fonts and echoing through the stone chambers. Step inside the main church, known as Khndzoresk, and marvel at the intricate khachkars, or cross-stones, that adorn its walls. These intricate carvings, unique to Armenian art, depict scenes from the Bible and Armenian history. Geghard Monastery is a place of peace and tranquility, where the weight of history is palpable. Section 5, Tatev Monastery in the clouds. Perched precariously on a cliff top overlooking the Voratan Gorge, stands Tatev Monastery. This 9th century monastery complex is one of Armenia's most iconic landmarks. To reach Tatev, you can take the wings of Tatev, the longest reversible cable car in the world. As you soar over the deep gorge, enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and the meandering Voratan River below. Once at the monastery, explore its ancient churches, admire the intricate frescoes that adorn their walls, and soak up the panoramic views from the cliff edge. Tatev Monastery is not only a place of religious significance, but also a symbol of Armenian resilience and ingenuity. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the Armenian people, who have overcome countless challenges throughout their history. Section 6. The Untamed Beauty of Dilijan National Park. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Dilijan National Park. Known as the Switzerland of Armenia, Dilijan is a haven of peace and natural beauty. Dense forests of oak, beech, and hornbeam trees blanket the rolling hills, their branches forming a verdant canopy overhead. Hike through the park's well-marked trails, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and listen to the symphony of birdsong that fills the forest. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls Dilijan home, including brown bears, wolves, lynx, and over 100 species of birds. Visit the charming town of Dilijan, with its traditional wooden houses and cobblestone streets. Here, you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people, sample delicious Armenian cuisine, and perhaps even learn a few words of the Armenian language. Section 7. The Pearl of Armenia. No trip to Armenia is complete without a visit to Lake Sevan, the Pearl of Armenia. Located high in the Armenian highlands, Sevan is one of the largest high-altitude freshwater lakes in the world. Its crystal-clear waters, ranging in color from deep blue to turquoise, shimmer like 1,000 jewels under the Armenian sun. Take a boat trip across the lake, feel the cool breeze on your face, and admire the stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Visit Noravank Monastery, perched on a peninsula overlooking the lake, and learn about its fascinating history. Spend a relaxing afternoon on the shores of Lake Sevan, soak up the sun, and enjoy a picnic with family and friends. Whether you are seeking adventure or relaxation, Lake Sevan has something to offer everyone. Section 8. The legend-wreathed shores of Lake Arpi. Hidden away in the northwest corner of Armenia, near the border with Georgia, lies Lake Arpi. This serene lake, surrounded by rolling hills and snow-capped peaks, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. According to local legend, Lake Arpi was formed by the tears of a grieving giant. Today, Lake Arpi is a haven for nature lovers and birdwatchers. Over 200 species of birds, including the rare Armenian gull, call the lake and its surrounding wetlands home. Explore the lake by boat, hike through the surrounding hills and meadows, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this unspoiled corner of Armenia. Section 9. The Whispering Caves of Khndzoresk. Venture into the heart of Syunik province, and you will discover the ancient cave village of Khndzoresk. This remarkable village, carved into the steep slopes of a canyon, was inhabited for centuries. The people of Khndzoresk built their homes, churches, and even a school into the soft volcanic rock. Today, Khndzoresk is a ghost village, abandoned in the 1950s. However, its unique cave dwellings and the swinging bridge that connects the two sides of the canyon continue to draw visitors from far and wide. Wander through the deserted caves, imagine the lives of the people who once called this place home, and marvel at their ingenuity and resilience. Khndzoresk is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Armenian people and their ability to adapt to even the most challenging environments. Section 10. Noravank, a monastic masterpiece in a red canyon. Our final destination takes us to Noravank Monastery, a 13th century architectural masterpiece nestled within a narrow canyon. As you approach the monastery, you will be struck by the contrast between the vibrant red rock formations and the azure blue sky. Noravank is renowned for its intricate kashkars, particularly the two-story S. Astvatsatsin church, which features a narrow staircase leading to the second floor. The monastery complex is a testament to the skill of the medieval Armenian architects and sculptors. Explore the various buildings, admire the intricate carvings and frescoes, and soak up the serene atmosphere of this hidden gem. Noravank Monastery is a fitting end to our journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Armenia. Section 11. Discover your own Armenian adventure. From the snow-capped peaks of its mountains to the tranquil shores of its lakes, Armenia offers a wealth of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. Each destination we explored has its own unique charm and allure, showcasing the diversity and splendor of this ancient land. Now it's your turn. Which of these breathtaking places in Armenia captured your imagination? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll share even more about that destination in a future video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more incredible journeys to the world's most fascinating destinations.